This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 92 of Building Optimus Prime, the final in this month's delivery. In this one, we're continuing some more of the leg. We're going to be doing the leg for a little while. An indelible mark, Michael Bay's legacy. That's Michael Bay. I wouldn't recognise him. I've seen lots of his films, but never really seen him before that I'm aware of. So there we go. Keep on trucking. Optimus Prime rolls out, roll out. Yeah, there we go. The toy that would become Optimus Prime was created for the Japanese Diaclone toy line, Battle Convoy, in August of 1983. Non-intelligent mechanical structure controlled by human Diaclone corpse pilots. Cool. The mold was reissued in 1984 as Howard Convoy, an upgrade of Battle Convoy. That was one of the last releases in the Diaclone line. Cancelled it and released Transformers. 2016, they resurrected Diaclone and Collector's Toy line. Oh, interesting. Okay. So yes, Metroplex. Don't know him. Largest of the Titans. The first and largest of the Titans. Ancient race of city-sized Transformer robots. Quite big. Japanese formula returns, triple combination. Okay. Japanese history and robots and very much Japanese animation and styling. So, the centre wheel of Optimus Prime's left leg, exactly the same as we did a few issues back, hopefully with less trouble, but we'll wait and see. Then we get to put that aside. So that's the second centre wheel. Top one, I don't think we've got anywhere to fix that yet, but we'll figure that out as we go. So yes, we're getting there. I want to get the arm fitted, but I don't know that we can fit the arm until we can get the other arm fitted to balance him. Yeah, soon we'll get this leg done, and then we'll be able to get the legs fitted to the body. That's going to be the next step, isn't it? So yeah, let's clear this out of the way, get the leg done in no time at all, I'm sure. So here we have it once again. We've got the wheel in two parts. We'll put that together on there like so. I'll put my screwdriver away because I thought I was done, but I wasn't. 4 screws. Hold that together. 1 spare. I shall add that to my spares bag. There, if I should ever need them again. Get all 4 screws into there. 2. 3. And the final one. And I'll get them all tightened up. So how have you all been? Leave a comment. Let me know what you've been doing, what you've been up to. Are you building any of these part works yourself? Are you just following along this one? Have you just popped in just to catch this one for some reason? Let me know. Give me a bit of feedback. It's always nice to find out what's going on with people. Let's see if we can get this on there. No, it's going to be just the same as the last one, which is a bit of a pain. Yeah, for some reason, it's been very tight, this one. Let me do what I did last time, a little bit of leverage. Go around the next bit and get a little bit of leverage. A little bit more, a little bit further. There we go, almost there. Nope, not quite there. Not going on. Let's try from the other side. There we go. That I'll just wipe clean. That's the inside bit anyway, just as well. The outside looks lovely. Hubcap then pops on, if you get it the right way round, just like that. And then the outer bit lines up around there. Each of those has a little notch that it goes into. And there we have that, ready to be clipped in place when we need to another time, but not this time, because that's the end of this issue, and that's the end of this month's delivery. Done quite a bit. So we've got that, we've done other things with the gun and that finishing off, and we've got a lot of the leg built up. So yeah, one of these is going to go on there. One is going to go a bit further up. Then one goes down on near the foot. So yeah, I quite like it. It's coming together quite nicely. So thank you very much for joining me. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you for more of this in about a month. But more part works every day. Another one. Something different tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.